Welcome to the VistaClad Open Joint System installation video. This VistaClad offering combines EverTech composite technology with our innovative clip strip installation method to deliver a clean architectural facade with lasting performance. The open joint profile system features deliberate spacing between boards, allowing airflow, drainage and light through the facade while protecting the structure behind. The following steps outline the key stages for a successful installation of the VistaClad open joint cladding system. Step 1. Planning. Start by confirming your wall structure is structurally sound and ready for cladding. Crucially, check the wall for plumb, level and flatness to identify any surface deviations early on. Finally, ensure your ground clearance and total cladding height are locked in before you proceed. Step 2. Selecting clip strips. VistaClad uses a hidden clip strip system to secure the cladding boards. Depending on the wall condition and project requirements, select the appropriate clip strip for the installation. The top hat clip strip provides its own structure and is ideal where uneven substrates need to be accounted for. The top hat clip strip allows for a wider ventilation and drainage cavity without additional framing required. Step 3. Planning the board layout. Next, determine the number of boards required. Measure the wall height or width and subtract the required clearances, flashing and trim allowances. Then divide the remaining distance by the board coverage. The typical VistaClad open joint profiles board coverage is 152.6 mm wide. Step 4. Installing structure and clip strips. Install the structure, ensuring it is level, plumb and aligned in all three planes. Once installed, begin positioning the clip strips. Use a builder's line to establish a straight reference line across the wall. Hang the clip strips from the guide screws and secure them into position. The first clip strip becomes the reference point for the entire installation, so ensure it's perfectly level before continuing. Step 5. Installing VistaClad open joint profiles. With the clip system installed, the boards can now be fitted. Position the first board onto the clip strip, aligning the board feet with the clip hooks. Press the board towards the open clip hook along its full length until it clicks securely into place. In open joint profile installations, each board installs independently and does not interlock with the previous board. This creates the deliberate spacing that defines the open joint facade system. Depending on the board orientation, continue installing boards from the bottom upward or the side outward until the cladding area is covered. For longer boards, 2 or more installers are recommended to ensure proper alignment and secure engagement. Step 6. Installing trim and finishing. To complete the installation, simply add trim. Because the VistaClad open joint profile accommodates any universal trim, you have full control over the final look and function. We have now successfully completed the installation of the VistaClad open joint cladding system. For full installation specifications and technical guidance, consult the complete VistaClad installation guide or visit Eva-Last.com.